Hello everyone. In today's concept, we will see how a language is built and how we write the Java program, and using that Java program, how can we develop the software. And also, we are going to learn some of the most fundamental building blocks of Java programming. These topics are essential because they form the foundation of how Java code is written, interpreted, and executed. Today, we will cover the concept of tokens. Let's begin. First, we will see what are tokens. The definition of tokens is these are the smallest unit of Java program. Without tokens, we cannot create any Java program because Java program is a collection of tokens, comments, and white spaces. In Java, we have six types of tokens. Those are keywords, identifiers, literals, separators, operators, and comments. Now we will see the types of tokens one by one. First, we will start with identifiers. So let's begin. The definition of identifiers is identifiers are the name given to variables, functions, and other elements to identify them in the code. We have certain rules to create the identifiers. We will see one by one. The first character of the identifier must be a letter or an underscore. Uh, After the first character, identifier name can contain letters, digits, and underscores. And we are not supposed to use symbols like dollar, hash, modulo, and or asterisk while creating the identifier name. And also, we can't use blank spaces and commas. Identifiers are case sensitive, and we cannot use keyword as a identifiers. In Java, we can create any length of identifier. There is no restrictions for the length of the identifier. That's all about the identifier. Now we will move to the concept of keywords. Keywords in Java are reserved words that have a predefined meaning in the language. They cannot be used as identifier. Each keyword performs specific function in Java programming, and it is a part of syntax rule. Here is the list of all the 50 keywords in Java. You can go through it. Now we will see what are literals. Literals are data values that are directly written into the code without requiring computation. In literal, we have five types. One is integer literal, second one is floating point literal, third one is Boolean literal, fourth one is character literal, and fifth one is string literal. Here string literal is missing. Please make a note of it. Integer literals means if we are using an integer, then it is a integer literal. For example, 10, 5, minus 8. Floating point literals means if we are using a decimal point numbers, then those are floating point literals. If we are using Boolean values like true or false, then those are Boolean literals. If we are using a character, that can be a uppercase character or lower case character, and character literals are always enclosed within single quotes. And one more, we have string literals. If you write anything in between the double quotes, then it is called as a string. If we are using that, then those are called as string literals. Now we will see what are operators. Operators are the symbols which is used to perform some operations on operands. We have different category of operators. Those are unary operator, arithmetic operator, shift operator, rotational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, ternary operator, and assignment operators. These are the examples for particular category of operators. Now we will see separators and comments. We use separators to separate the given code. We have five types of separators. Those are braces, brackets, parentheses, semicolon, and comma. And we use comments to provide additional information about the code. They help programmers to understand the logic more clearly. In comments, we have two types. One is single line comment, and that will be indicated by this symbol, and block comment or multi-line comment. We'll write block comment or multi-line comment in this format. That's all about the token. If you found this explanation helpful, please wait for the next video. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.